Hey guys, in today's video I want to review this Sunjoe pressure washer. This thing has worked pretty well for us. We've used it in a lot of projects around the house, from working on our deck when we had to clean that. We've cleaned the concrete here. We've also cleaned our house, even worked on a table outside, and we've done a lot of things with this pressure washer, and I think it does a really good job. It's an electric pressure washer and it has been pretty strong for that. I want to show you just a couple features that we really like about it. Number one, super easy right here, has an off and on switch, so you will have to plug it up. That is one hindrance, but it's okay because it has a long cord. You're going to plug the hose in right here, just any hose that you have from your house. I like the gun it has. You can tell the gun is pretty good, pretty strong. It has a little safety right here, so you can slide that so you actually aren't able to pull the trigger. But we've used this all around our house, and like I said, it's been really good for us. I do like as well that it has two different compartments right here. So if you want to mix something, if you need to use something for your house, or if you want to use something for your vehicle, you can put this in here and you can mix it in here. And it even has a dial right here, so you can determine how much of the detergent or whatever you're using that you want to use. If you want to use 100% one side, or if you want to use kind of a combo, you can do that as well. So it's super great for that. Has a bunch of different options for this. All of that, again, like I said, is pretty nice. Then right here on the back has wheels, which are super nice. You can just kind of wheel it around. It's not super heavy, but you can also wheel it around there. And then it also has different nozzles it comes with. It comes with soap, comes with 0, 15, 25, and 40. So whatever you need for your situation, if you need something really tight, you got that. Or if you need just soap and you're trying to wash something off, you can use that as well. So overall, this has worked really well for us. Again, it's pretty strong. We've used it multiple things, like I mentioned before, with the house, concrete, table, whatever you might need. This has worked really well for us. I like it, again, that it is electric. It's not super loud, not super heavy, also not super big, so I can store it different places in case if I had the big one, it's nice, but it's also big, kind of hard to store. So this is nice for all that, and again, it can be put different places. We also like it because the price point is not super high, which is super great. If you're just needing one for a few times a year, this is a great option as well. But overall, it has worked really well for us. We've used it all around the house, lasts a while now, and I think it's great. Highly recommend it.